किसी ने कहा है अच्छा खाओ, सुखी रहो, हेल्दी रहो. Soups and salads, the best source of health. The best source of health. Well, मेरी ऐसी बॉडी पता नहीं कब होगी, पर जब भी होगी मैं तब तक सूप और सैलड बनाता रहूँगा, खिलाता रहूँगा. सूप और सैलड इतनी वाइड रेंज है, इतनी बड़ी रेंज है कि आप बनाते बनाते थक जाएंगे. Start with a brilliant sumac salad. The beauty about this salad, it's really light, it's really tasty, nice and khatta, and the khattas comes from lovely lemons. So quick squeeze about 2 limes, a little bit of salt, obviously, a bit of pepper, a bit of sumac powder. Well, sumac is a small berry, it's khatta, it's like pomegranate flavor. So I'll just mix this all together, and then I'm just going to add some olive oil, little by little. The proportion of the olive oil to the lemon juice is 1:3, which means that if 1 part is the lemon juice, 3 parts has to be the oil. Now once this dressing is made, we'll add the lovely red peppers, great for salads. So all I'm going to do is just cut them into long triangles. Same goes with the yellow pepper. I'm also adding some onions. इनको मैंने लंबा लंबा काट लिया है. Just that जब ये सैलड खाएं तो क्रंची हो, फ्रेश हो, तो बड़े बड़े पीसेस जो हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. Green pepper, some fresh cucumber. I also need to add some chopped fresh parsley. This salad is Mediterranean. Parsley is a Mediterranean herb. It tastes well, it looks good. Alright, so up till now, खटास नींबू से आ चुकी है, सुमाक से आ चुकी है, मिठास आएगी reduced pomegranate juice. Wow! Did you ever think of that? Well, दुबई में नॉर्मल स्टोर्स में पोमोग्रेनेट मोलासेस मिलती है, पोमोग्रेनेट एक्सट्रैक्ट जो कि हमस में भी जाता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों में जाता है, और इस सैलड में इसकी खूबसूरती और टेस्ट दोनों को बढ़ाता है. अब अनार का अगर जूस रिड्यूस करके डाला है, थोड़े से फ्रेश अनार भी हो जाए. ये जस्ट गिव एन आउटस्टैंडिंग कलर. अब इसमें हम फाइनली आई हैव सम फ्रेश आइसबर्ग लेटस, सो आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट ब्रेक देम ओपन and add that. The lettuce is just to kind of give it a whole body. Well, this in many standards is ready. इसमें हम डालेंगे pita bread, उसको थोड़ा फ्राई करके. If you don't want to fry it, don't put it. So I have these lovely pita squares ready. Okay, I need to just dip them in hot oil, fry them crisp so that I get another extra bit of crunch. Now while these are frying, I have some black olives with me. I hate cutting black olives, so what I do is just squeeze them and just break them. I'm just going to mix them. They are just a beautiful flavor. After frying, the pita has turned into like a really nice little biscuit. Very crunchy, very tasty. I need to cool it down for about 10 to 15 minutes and then shred in the salad. Just top them up and just leave some for the garnish. Wow, look at that, look at that. इसे देख के मैं डाइटिंग कर सकता हूँ. Look at these colors. I mean, they're just so gorgeous. They're so appetizing. They're so appealing. Well, let me create another moment of magic. Some more of these pita on the top. And finally, feta cheese. Just crumble it over. This gives a bit of a saltiness, a bit of creaminess, and it's just amazing for this salad. Trust me, when I ate this for the first time, I fell in love with it. Actually, this is tasty, this is healthy, this is good. What are you waiting for? अपना ख्याल रखिए, कुछ अच्छा बनाइए, कुछ हेल्दी बनाइए, आखिर अच्छा खाएंगे तो ज्यादा जिएंगे। That's my request to you. In the season of seafood, make this beautiful mango and prawn salad. Trust me, it is healthy and very tasty. सबसे पहले महाराजा व्हाइट लाइन कुकटॉप पे मैं बढ़िया से प्रॉन्स को पकाऊंगा। प्रॉन्स को मैं पकाऊंगा पानी में थोड़े नमक के साथ। उबलते हुए पानी में लेमन जूस विद द लेमन, साथ ही में मैं डालूंगा थोड़ा सा तेज पत्ता, फ्यू बिट्स ऑफ पेपरकॉर्न। मेरे पास है फ्रेश रेड चिली। अब फ्रेश रेड चिली को आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्लिट इट, कट दिस इनटू 4 एंड जस्ट प्लंक इट। All I've done is I have slit the prawns some into half and some half into half. वो इसलिए ताकि वो प्रॉन एकदम बटरफ्लाई की तरह खिल जाएं। प्रॉन्स बहुत जल्दी कुक हो जाते हैं और अगर ओवर कुक हो जाएं तो बहुत ही गंदा रबड़ी टेस्ट देते हैं। A good way to check how your prawn is done or not without eating it is that the prawn will turn really orange and the flesh will turn milky white. It should not be rubbery, it should be just a little soft and spongy. It's done. Now I need to just remove the prawns. I don't need the lemon. I don't need the peppercorns. उनका काम हो चुका है. So just transfer it into a bowl carefully and just let them rest. Now I'm going to use two kinds of chilies. एक मिर्च जो कि हमने बॉइलिंग लिक्विड में डाली थी उसको हम डालेंगे इमल्शन में, और मेरे पास है थोड़ा सा और फ्रेश चॉप्ड रेड चिली जिसको मैं यूज़ करूँगा सैलड बनाने के लिए. Now this needs to become an emulsion, so just roughly chop. I got some fresh mango puree. To give it a nice zing, some lemon juice. थोड़ा सा chopped coriander, a bit of salt and a bit of chili powder. Emulsion हमेशा ऑयल का बनता है और इस मिक्सचर में हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल और फाइनली थोड़ा सा crushed pepper. Now I'm going to make this mixture really smooth by using this Maharaja White Line Turbo Mix hand blender. Wow, amazing. Now this beautiful emulsion goes in my flavored prawns और इसमें ये थोड़ी देर रेस्ट करेंगे क्योंकि सारा का सारा मैंगो का जो फ्लेवर है वो प्रॉन्स ऑलमोस्ट खींच लेगा. And then I'm going to create into another beautiful step, which is making it into the prawn and mango salad. We need to make this even more magical. I've got some chopped fresh red chilies. अब इसमें मैं डालूँगा कच्ची कैरी and then some dices of fresh mango, some freshly chopped coriander, very Asian flavors, wee bit of lemon juice, some salt, and just mix them. Now my happiest moment is the plating moment because that's where normal dishes look gourmet, become gourmet. This just into half and then I have some prawns. I'm going to just put them nicely. और इसको अब वापस से just top it up with this salad and just press it nicely. Now I'm just going to plate it very wild because this is a beautiful summer salad. Doesn't this look gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And I have to explain to you how does that taste. Blast! Absolutely amazing. You have to try it and then let me know what do you think about it. When you want to have a perfect blend of health and taste, log on to Chop Chop Chopra and find this beautiful recipe of mixed greens with some candied walnuts. I've got some fresh beans which I've slit into half and blanched. Then put in cold water because this needs to be green, it needs to be crunchy. I've got some asparagus which is again blanched. I also have some celery leaves. Now these leaves, I'm going to just soak them in some chilled water. Well, the twist is that I'm going to add candied walnuts or caramelized walnuts in the salad. Plus, I'm going to add a dash of orange juice, fresh orange juice. Let's get on to make the caramel first. To make a good caramel, all you need to do is just put sugar in a hot pan and just gently let it cook. Let it come to that amber color. Till this is happening, we get on to the next stage. So I need to make some orange segments and I need to get the rind of the orange out in this manner. So all I need to do is just one slide like this and one slide on an angle. That's an orange segment, and that will go in your salad. The orange which is left over from the segments, I'm going to use it for the dressings. So I've got my orange juice, the caramel is happening here. I need to put the walnuts in the caramel, but before that I need to just give it one stir, ताकि ये जो भी sugar crystals इसमें बचे हैं वो अच्छी तरह से dissolve हो जाएं. That's all I want. Now I've got these walnuts. All I'm going to do is just going to give them one toss so that जो सारा caramel है वो coat हो जाए walnuts में. Just see how beautiful they're looking. अब हम dressing बनाएंगे very quickly. I've got the orange juice in it. I need to add some balsamic vinegar. Now this recipe requires about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. But if you don't have balsamic vinegar, you can add some lemon and a little bit of brown sugar. At this stage, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil little by little. At this stage, some freshly cracked pepper, a little bit of salt. In this dressing now, I'm going to add some fresh red chilies. Now these are spicy. They're going to give it a beautiful zing. Chilies really finely chopped. They need to become a part of the dressing, and they should not be coming in your mouth like that. They need to provide the spiciness in the dressing. One quick tip is that whenever you're making any salad, you need to soak it up in chilled water. They're looking nice, they're happy, and now the beans, they are blanched, and then the asparagus, they go right in as well, all right? My lettuce with a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it a quick toss. और अब इस स्टेज पे मैं डालूंगा caramelized walnuts, जो कि बिल्कुल walnut toffee जैसे बन गया. Amazing. All right, give it a nice toss. And then it needs the magical dressing. But just before you put it, it's important that you stir it really well. Really, it's done. This salad to die for. I named it just because it is to die for. Some feta cheese just to give it the final beauty, and it tastes amazing. And finally, a little shower of blessing, just some more flavor. This salad looks to die for. It's actually to die for because this is fresh, this is amazing. Well guys, Happy New Year. Start eating right, start eating healthy. This is a beautiful inspiration for you. Well, मेरी body ऐसी पता नहीं कब होगी, but if I start having these nice healthy soups जो मैंने ही बनाए chop chopra पे, I'm sure I'll get there. You can get there. Try this cantaloupe soup. It's chilled, it's nice, it's amazing. गर्मियों की दो चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद हैं. एक एसी में सोना और ठंडे ठंडे खरबूजे को खाना. पर अगर खरबूजा पीने को मिले तो सुनने में थोड़ा वियर्ड लगता है, बट एक्चुअली बहुत टेस्टी होता है. I didn't realize it till the time I actually had it. Today, you will try it. ये रेसिपी इतनी सिंपल है कि क्या बताऊं. बहुत सिंपल है. सिर्फ खरबूजे के बीज को निकालना है, थोड़ी सी इसमें थोड़ा सा मिंट डालना है, थोड़ा हनी डालना है, कोकोनट मिल्क से उसको थोड़ा थिकन करना है और बन गया. पर इतना इजी भी नहीं होगा ना. अब इसे प्रेजेंटेशन भी करनी पड़ेगी, वो हम दिखाएंगे. कैसे? ऐसे. Cantaloupes are generally quite sweet. So शहद डालने से पहले एक बार मेलन को ज़रूर टेस्ट करें because you don't want your soup to be overtly sweet. ये मेलन ठीक स्वीट है. Some honey. some coconut milk. Coconut milk is very tropical, very summery, very refreshing, and when mint is added with coconut milk, melon and honey, it is icy cool. Couple of cubes of ice and this heavy duty Maharaja White Line Desire mixer is ready to do its job. Easy, simple, yet very sturdy. Looks like a mango shake, but it's actually a melon soup with some coconut. Well, the soup is absolutely ready. अब मैं चाहूँ तो इसे पी भी सकता हूँ ऐसे. Wow! Freshness of a melon, mint, honey, just right. Not too sweet, not too overpowering. It's just so refreshing. आप चाहें तो इसे ऐसे ड्रिंक भी सर्व कर सकते हैं, पर चाहें तो बड़े गुरमे तरीके से इसे सजा के भी सर्व कर सकते हैं क्योंकि चिल्ड है, कैसे भी सर्व कर सकते हैं. बट आई एम गोइंग टू गार्निश इट विद सम साबूदाना. अब साबूदाना सोक करते हैं, उसको थोड़ा सा बॉईल करते हैं, और जो कि मैंने कर लिया है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू प्लॉन्क दिस इन द सेंटर ऑफ द बोल. Garnishing it with a little bit of honey, little bit of coconut milk, and some fresh mint. Well, who thought that melon could become a soup? Well, actually, it's a very old traditional recipe, great for summers, refreshing, cool, gourmet. Lift your spirits up by making this बढ़िया noodle hot pot only on Chop Chop Chopra. This is a really quick, झटपट, बहुत easy recipe है. All you have to do is just get all the ingredients in one place and then you're ready to go. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो vegetables मैं डाल रहा हूँ वही vegetables आपको भी डालनी है. But yes, you have to just make sure that those vegetables blend into the soup. सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा तेल डालेंगे एक पैन में. स्टार्ट करेंगे चॉप गार्लिक के साथ. चाइनीज़ खाना अगर बनाएंगे तो सबसे पहले चॉप गार्लिक को सॉटे करेंगे. वो एक बढ़िया फ्राइड गार्लिक की जो स्मेल होती है, इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. इसमें बहुत सारी सब्जियां कुक होने की हैं लेकिन बॉईल होने की हैं. सिर्फ एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जिसे हम सॉटे करेंगे, मशरूम्स. आई हैव विद मी नॉर्मल बटन मशरूम्स एंड सम एरंगी मशरूम्स. मशरूम्स को लाइटली सॉटे करने के बाद वी गोना ऐड वाटर. And this water is going to become a nice vegetable stock. I have with me some stock cubes which I'm going to plonk in the pan. अब इसमें मैं डालूंगा थोड़ी सी pok choy. Pok choy एक Asian vegetable है. It is a leaf with a bit of a stalk. You use both the stalk and the leaf. It's actually very flavorful, very fresh, very tasty. I'm putting in it some broccoli, a bit of French beans which I have just cut into diamonds, a bit of Chinese cabbage, and now some beautifully cut carrots. And there goes the lid. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. I don't want the vegetables to go एकदम limp, soggy. थोड़ा crunchy होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा crispy होना चाहिए. साथ में vegetables का flavor जो है वो stock के साथ मिल जाना चाहिए. Alright. Nicely boiling. अभी मैं डालूँगा थोड़ी सी noodles because this is a hot pot. This is like a one pot meal. Everything is here. साथ ही मैं डालूंगा थोड़ी सी लाइट सोया सॉस, करीबन 1 चम्मच. एंड फ्लेवरिंग के लिए I'm going to add a little bit of chili oil and very little sesame oil. This is a Chinese condiment. ये आपको किसी भी चाइनीज शॉप में मिलेगा. एंड फाइनली bit of salt. One last time for 2 minutes and it's done. But I love this one pot cooking dishes because they are so simple and so hearty and so wholesome. एक बात बताऊं, simple that it looks, tasty to the core. I call this a pot of life. This bowl is full of so much goodness, so much nourishment. इतना फ्लेवर एक बोल में होना नामुमकिन है, बट एक्चुअली मुमकिन है. वेल, चॉप चॉप चोपड़ा पे चाइनीज़ हो या यूरोपियन, इंडियन हो या वेस्टर्न, गुरमे टच मिलता रहेगा. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, खाना बनाइए, खुश रहिए.